Alright, so here we are checking out Shiba Inu. Now, from meme coins to ecosystems, Shiba is now a serious DeFi and metaverse project. Now, I heard about this project a while ago when I was doing other crypto videos covering meme coins, and I wasn't quite sure how Shiba Inu was going to take off, but it has. It's called SHIB or Shiba Inu, whatever you want to call it. And as you can see, it has a lot of really cool information here. Now, it also has the Shibarium launch, which is a layer 2 blockchain with fast and cheap transactions. Very awesome stuff. It also has a burn mechanism, so aggressive token burns can reduce supply and add price pressure, which is really cool. So if you want to burn through them, you can do that, and you can add price pressure, which will increase the value, essentially, okay? They also have utility tokens, which include Leash and Bone, powering its broader ecosystem as well. And the future outlook for Shiba Inu is working on its own metaverse and DEX growth. Very exciting stuff. So Shiba Inu is another one that I'm excited for, or SHIB if you prefer. And you can check more information out about it on the screen there. And yeah, I recommend SHIB or Shiba Inu because it's going to be really cool. All right.